So, hey everyone, welcome to Dev Wealth. Today, we are going to dive into comparison operator and the spaceship operator in PHP. That is tutorial number 10. So, these operators are essential for making decision in our codes. So, let's see first comparison operator. Comparison operator in PHP are used to compare two values. Basically, it's written true or false based on the comparison. So, let's dive into this code. So, I already write this code to save the time and skip the silence in the video. So first one you can see double equal to. That means is compare this value 10 and 20 to check it is equal to or not. It's not check its data type because it's 2 equal to. And if it's 3 equal to, that means it check the value and its data type. For example, if I write like this, then so first one is integer, second one is string. It's written true here and it's here even the value is true. It's also check the data type. It's written false. Let's see how it's work. Okay, here we go. First written true, second one written false because it's also check the same value and the type of the value. Now, if you guys understand this one. Now, the second one, it is the simple one. It check the value is equal to or not equal to, and this one is it check the value is greater than or not, like basically check the left side value is greater than or equal to. Here same, it check left side value is less than or equal to, right side value is greater than or equal to, sorry, not equal to, just the greater than. Here it check the value is greater than or equal to. If I put here 10, it's written true because it's equal to. In some cases, we require this in the code. So that's why it's introduced in the comparison operator. Same exactly opposite to this. It check the value is less than or equal to. And this one I already explained. So let's see in the code it is work. Okay. If you see it's written true, false, 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 true, true, and false. So yeah, let's see. Oh, I forget to save the code. Okay, here we go. False, true, false, true, false, true, false. So if you code, I already write false, true, false, true, false, true, false. This is the result for this value. For practice, you can check this with your code, writing the if condition and all that. The second operator is spaceship operator. So basically, it was introduced in the PHP 7, and if you are using PHP 5.6 or lesser version of PHP below 7, so it's not work. So it is basically introduced in the 7, PHP 7. So basically, based on the value, it's return the value -1, 1 or 0. If the left side value is smaller, it's written -1. If left side value is greater, it's written 1. And if both the value are equal, it's written 0. So that's the three value it's written, and that's the three logic of this operator. Basically, I don't see most of the developer use this one, but yeah, it is in the PHP. You can use it. Let's see in the action. Okay, I again forget to save the code. Let me quickly just save and let's see. Here we go, -1. You can see first value is smaller, 1, so left value is greater, and here we go 0. Both the value are equal as written in here. 10 and 20 x lesser, y is greater and equal. So I hope you guys understand this one. And sorry, I also need to complete this tutorial. So yeah, from now maybe every week I will release one or two video related to the PHP tutorial. And also we have in hand the Magento tutorial. Thank you so much guys for the support for the previous video, that is Docker Compose YML5. So more Docker video are coming soon. So please do keep like, comment and share, and do support to share the video so other people can also learn this one. And thank you so much guys. Bye bye.